Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you food enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of canned sardines with 50 more ways to eat canned sardines. A recipe journal by Shanna Lee. If you're looking to elevate your culinary game with these little super wonders, stay tuned because we've got all the details you need. Show the book cover and zoom in on the title, 50 More Ways to Eat Canned Sardines. A recipe journal by Shanna Lee. Display the book description. Discover how canned sardines can improve your health and tantalize your taste buds. Why canned sardines? Well, these tiny fish are packed with health benefits, including joint support, heart health, and even better skin. Shanna Lee's recipe journal promises to show us how to make the most of these little superstars. Taking a look at the book itself, it's a 144-page paperback with a clean and simple design. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of recipes and ideas to elevate your canned sardine game. Now, let's dive into what you'll find inside. 50 More Ways to Eat Canned Sardines picks up where the previous edition left off. It begins with an introduction to the health benefits of sardines, followed by 50 unique recipes. From appetizers to main courses, and even desserts, this book has it all. Here are some tantalizing examples of the recipes you'll discover. Sardine stuffed bell peppers, creamy sardine pasta, and even sardine brownies for the adventurous foodie in you. Now, let's get to know the author, Shanna Lee, a bit better. With over 20 years of experience in natural living and raising her children, Shanna brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. Her passion for herbs, nutrition, and homesteading shines through in this recipe journal. If you're ready to take your canned sardine game to the next level and explore these incredible recipes, 50 More Ways to Eat Canned Sardines. A recipe journal by Shanna Lee is available on Amazon. We've provided the link in the description below. That's it for today's product critique. If you're a fan of canned sardines or simply want to expand your culinary horizons, be sure to check out this recipe journal. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.